Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Fandom Wiki page. So first thing you want to do is sign up. After you've done that, you want to press Start a Wiki up in the top right hand side corner of your screen. Here you can give it a name and an address. Here we can describe our community, select if it's relevant to children under the age of 13, and choose any hubs or categories that's related to your particular community. After you've done that, you can choose your theme while it is loading in the actual wiki page that you've just created. So let's go with the first one. So yeah, we just have to wait for this to be done. There we go. After you've done that, it will take you to your wiki page that you've just created. Here you can do many things. You have many different pages that you can input into your wiki page. Put photos, you can do many things. I'll create more videos for that in the future. But yeah, I hope this video helped. Thank you very much.